we've never used this, have we?
Nope.
Okay, so it's a massager.
Yep.
I put this is not a soft ball. Go ahead and touch that so you feel
Yep.
it.
Yep.
But it's softer than some of the other ones. And what I'm gonna have you do is you're going to kind of massage through this area. So the button on the back, that's got it going.
Gotcha.
You can hold on to that. I want you to work through any of that.
Oh, right there.
So you control how much pressure you put into
Yeah.
it. And what we're going to do is we're going to spend about 2.5 minutes, I'll watch the clock, just working through any of those sensitive areas.
Oh, yes.
What does it feel like?
Like 1,000 little needles,
Okay.
especially right through there.
And what we can do is, can you slide that foot back under you a little more? Get to the point where you're kind of feeling a little bit of a stretch on it. And then we'll keep massaging it. And then if you can slide it back further, we'll keep massaging it.